At the bottom of the hill, make a right. Continue straight ahead. At the next intersection, turn left. My name is Karen Jacobsen, and I'm known as the only woman men will take directions from. My speaking voice ended up in over 1 billion GPS and smartphone devices giving directions to people around the world. You have reached your destination. Well, I'll take you right back to the beginning. I'm originally from Mackay, which is a town in North Queensland near Australia's Great Barrier Reef. I wanted to become a professional singer and move to America. And I did follow that dream to New York. And not long after I moved there was an audition, and a client was looking for a native Australian female voiceover artist living in the northeast of the United States. And I went to that audition and I got the job.
Proceed to the route. Proceed to the route. Proceed to the route.
At the time, I was told that the Australian voice was a high priority because the Australian accent was considered the most pleasant English-speaking accent to listen to, which is pretty cool. Turn left. At the roundabout, turn right. There was a huge script, a massive script, and the team of engineers had figured out every combination of syllables possible for me to record so they could chop that up and create this voice system based on my speaking voice. I went into the booth and recorded these different lines. At the next intersection, turn left. At the roundabout, turn right. You have reached your destination. What are some other ones? Let me think. Oh, everybody's favorite. Recalculating. I had to say the word approximately 168 times in a row. There is a red light camera approaching. I like to keep people safe. When I'm asked to use the voice, I do, because it's fun. My voice is going to live on forever? Wow, the power is going to go to my head. I mean, that's mind-blowing. Really, isn't it? You have reached your destination.